Hi friends, in this section we can talk about pheochromocytoma. Pheo means dark and the chromo means color, cyto means cell and oma means tumor. Pheochromocytoma is a rare adrenal gland tumor. It is a tumor of chromaffin cells. It is located in the adrenal medulla. It normally produces catecholamines, norepinephrine, epinephrine, etc. Cells become darker because numerous chromaffin cells produce tremendous amount of catecholamines. We can see there's a blackish color here. The signs and symptoms of pheochromocytoma, which include increase in cardiac output, increase in blood pressure are the most common, and anxiety, headache, sweating, heart palpitations, dilated pupil. Catecholamines can be increase the blood flow to the skeletal muscles and increase blood sugar level. Chromaffin cells can be also seen in carotid arteries, urinary bladder, aorta. The cause of pheochromocytoma, it most arise sporadically, and second one, multiple endocrine neoplasia. What is mean by multiple endocrine neoplasia? It arises typically at least two endocrine glands with tumor or neoplasia. It has major forms like type 1, type 2, type 4. We can subdivide the type 2 to A and B. It shows the pheochromocytoma. These divisions are based on genes involved in the tumor, types of hormones made, characteristics of signs and symptoms. We can see pheochromocytoma in men 2A, 2B. It is the mutation in Rett gene. Rett gene is normally a proto-oncogene, but if there is a mutation, it leads to an oncogene formation. Then second cause is von Hippel-Lindau disease. It is the mutation in VHL. It is a tumor suppressor protein. It is normally inhibit cell growth, but if there is a mutation, it leads to uncontrolled proliferation of cells, which means tumor. And other cause is neurofibromatosis type 1. It is the mutation in NFI or neurofibrin. It is also a tumor suppressor protein. Its mutation leads to tumor. We can draw here the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. We can see chromaffin cells in the adrenal medulla. The factors which leads to pheochromocytoma are stress and excessive physical exercise, food contents like tyramine, example choco, cheese, wine. If there is a tumor in the adrenal medulla, it produces too many uncontrolled catecholamines in the blood. It leads to narrowing of smooth muscles of blood vessels. It leads to increase in total peripheral resistance and increased blood pressure. Hypertension 180 bar 120. It means that hypertensive urgency. The breaking of small blood vessels can seen in heart, brain, retina, and kidney, and it leads to hemorrhage and ischemia occurs. And the disease like conjunctive heart failure, stroke, retinal hemorrhage, kidney failure will occur. This is known as hypertensive emergency. The tumor in the adrenal medulla metastases into lymph node, liver, bone, and the lungs. The diagnosis of the pheochromocytoma, we can see increase the amount of catecholamines in the blood or urine, metanephrine in urine, ultrasound or CT scan shows identify the location and the treatments. Catecholamines increase blood pressure, so we need to prescribe antihypertensive drugs, surgery to remove the tumor. These are the treatments. Okay, friends, have a nice day. Bye.